Hello everyone, my name is Iram Fatima. I am from commerce background. Just now I have completed class 12 from Navyu Gradient Senior Secondary School. So now just like me, many of you were confused that which coaching institute you would like to opt. So I can guarantee you that Pankaj Commerce classes will surely opt and give you one unforgettable experience. Not that much only. Pankaj sir is so interactive person. No matter how many questions you answers, no matter how many question or doubt you solve. So Pankaj sir will solve all your questions. So I am so grateful that I am one of the student of Pankaj sir or that particular coaching Pankaj Commerce classes. It's not just spoon feeding, it's just clearing out your doubts. So I have enjoyed a lot. So I hope every commerce background student should opt or choose Pankaj Commerce classes, PCC. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Karthika Mishra of class 12 CBSC. I am student of commerce classes from Pankaj Commerce classes and currently I am preparing for my board exams. I would like to share my own experience before joining Pankaj Commerce classes was that accountancy was like a dark room for me. But after joining my classes, accountancy was very easy for me. All my doubts and the concept were clear. The great thing about Pankaj sir is that he make his student comfortable, provide them extra classes by online as well as offline medium. During Corona pandemic, when all the institutes were closed, but Pankaj Commerce classes gave us support in tough time also. I am really thankful from bottom of my heart to Pankaj sir and his team for providing us such a great value.
Hi, I'm Soumya Tripathi and currently I'm pursuing BCom from Delhi University. I got 93% in my intermediate and I feel really grateful that I had the guidance of Pankaj sir. He is an amazing teacher. From starting he showed a belief in me and his words encouraged me and inspired me to work even harder, and the environment that coaching provides is very enriching. The teacher there focus more on small details and basic knowledge, as a subject of commerce may seem easy but they are really tricky, and whenever I had an inquiry they were all willing to solve it, and whenever I needed a special class for my queries, without a question they did it, and words can never express my gratitude towards Pankaj sir and his coaching. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rashmi Yadav from Pankaj Commerce classes. I am taking CS and BCom classes from Pankaj sir. Pankaj sir is really a good teacher as well as a good guider. I had joined the classes at the time of examination and I was very afraid about the examination, but Pankaj sir guided me very well and prepared me for the examination. I got a good marks in the examination. At last, I want to say that Pankaj Commerce classes is the best commerce classes and always help us. Thank you.
Myself, Huma Salim, and I am studying in BCom first year. I would like to thank Pankaj Commerce classes. I scored 70% marks in my boards, and here Pankaj sir is a really good teacher. He is very supportive and he always ready to help us. He always ready to clear all my doubts whenever I asked a question from him. And here teachers do their best for us. They always take extra classes and test for checking our preparations, and in extra classes they always clear our doubts. And at last I would like to thank Pankaj Commerce classes. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I am Anjali Rai of Pankaj Commerce classes, currently pursuing BCom from Karmyogi Degree College. Due to COVID, when all the institutes and coachings are closed, Pankaj Commerce classes have been very helpful with their online teachings. They provide us a solution to all our queries with the help of notes and study material. To keep a check on progress, they take a test after every topic is complete. The teacher is very helpful and polite. He makes sure that we are not left with any doubt after the class is over. I am really thankful to Pankaj Commerce classes.
Hello everyone, everyone, this is Shashi Yadav, BCom student of Pankaj Commerce classes. Due to COVID-19, in a situation of lockdown when all our education institutions are shut down, Pankaj Commerce classes are trying to help us by providing online classes, doubt clearing sessions and lectures. They also provide us study material like assessment and note. To keep check on our learning, they take regular tests. I am very thankful to the teachers of Pankaj Commerce classes to make use of this time. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Mahima Roy of class 11th. I secured 96 marks in commerce because of Pankaj sir. Pankaj sir is the best teacher of account and he will be always be there to help the students in their needs. Pankaj Commerce classes is the best institution to achieve knowledge. Pankaj Commerce classes provide notes, videos, lectures to their students to get their doubts clear.
Hello everyone, I am Apurva Tiwari from Pankaj Commerce classes, BCom third year. The Pankaj sir guiding us in a logical way, practically and theoretically. I will assure that you will enjoy every session of the class. Pankaj sir always helps in clear every single doubt. I am very glad to my decision that I have choose to learn from Pankaj Commerce classes, and I want to thank Pankaj sir that he helps in scoring 94% marks in income tax. Thank you everyone.